in this video I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Yamaha AV receiver. First, we need to check in which HDMI port the receiver is connected on the TV. In my case is in the HDMI port number 2. This is important to remember. Now take your TV remote control and you need to select input number 2. In my case I changed the name to receiver, but yours should be HDMI 2, like this one. You see HDMI 2. Just select it and go on it. Now take the remote control of your Yamaha receiver and press the setup button while pointing at your receiver. This menu should appear on the left side of your screen and you need to navigate using the arrows on the remote control until you see Bluetooth. Then when you're on Bluetooth, you're going to press the right side arrow. In this menu, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. This is important. If not, you just press the right side arrow to turn it on and off. And then under transmitter, press the right side arrow to turn it on as well. Go on device search, press enter, and now it will search for Bluetooth headphones. I'll pair my Airpods Pro in this example, but it works with any other Bluetooth headphones. So put the headphones in pairing mode. Now, as you can see on the screen, the pairing mode has disappeared from the receiver. You need to go back and put it back in pairing mode because it just lasts a minute. So press the return key on the remote control and then device search, press the right side arrow. And you should see your headphones appearing since both of them are in pairing mode. Press the right side arrow to confirm. It will say connecting. Wait a few seconds and complete when it's done. Now you can press the enter button and we can exit this menu. You don't have to use it anymore. Now what's interesting is that the sound will come out of the speakers connected to the receiver, but will also come out on the headphones as well. You can turn down the volume of your TV and the sound will still remain on your headphones. It's independent. So you can have sound coming out of your headphones and no sound at all coming out of the speakers. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a comment, a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.